What's up? I have some Valentine's Day ideas that you can do for Valentine's Day with your chocolate covered Oreos. First, let me introduce myself. I'm the DIY Queen Diva. Make sure you hit that subscribe, notification bell, and like button to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends. Okay, so I have everything laid out. You will need your fondant pieces, your fondant tool, your Oreos, and your Oreo mold. I also have some white chocolate, melted chocolate in a Ziploc bag. You can use a piping bag or whatever you have that you can just pipe the chocolate into the Oreo mold. So let's go ahead and get started. Cut the tip of your bag and go ahead and pipe in your chocolate and tap your Oreo mold and then place your Oreo down. I forgot to tap my Oreo mold with the first two Oreos, but that's okay because I am going to tap my Oreo mold anyways. So just continue piping and then tap your Oreo mold, place your Oreo down in the chocolate, then place chocolate on top of the Oreo and tap again. So just watch. So now I am going to place in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is up. I am taking my Oreos out of the mold cavity and I am getting ready to put the fondant on the Oreos. Now, if your fondant doesn't stick on the Oreo, you can dab the back of your fondant piece with a dab of water, or you can dab on top of the Oreo with a dab of water. So I am going to place my fondant pieces on all of the Oreos, and that's about it. So dabbing each piece of fondant with a dab of water, it's taking too long, so I am just going to dab the top of the Oreo with just a dab of water and then place the fondant on the Oreo. Okay, so we're done here. Thank you so much for watching my channel. And don't forget to tell your friends and family about my channel. Bye-bye.